This little girl has seen some things. Look at that. It's crazy eyes.
For too long. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me.
Tell me when.
It's going.
Oh, hi. I'm Michael Vincent Valenti, 777 The Archangel from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, here in Sedona, Arizona, United States of America. Building Sedona Schnebly Home, a shelter, hostel, community center, 1490 89A, next to Whole Foods. You're welcome to join and have fun. We're all about community, unity, and peace, and love, and all that good stuff. And I talk really fast because I'm 12th dimensional. I love you. Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah.
You're all
Thanks,
source.
man. Have a good one. What's up, guys? We are in Sedona, Arizona, the land of vortexes and strange behavior and lots of hiking. So right now we are in the downtown area.
I believe this is actually Uptown Sedona.
Uptown, downtown Sedona, whatever, tomato, tomato. But we're just walking around the shops right now, just popping in and out, because no trip to Sedona is complete without a visit to the Uptown area. So yeah, we're just gonna show you around a little bit before we start our final day of hiking.
Overlooking the Uptown Sedona area. Sedona, Arizona is known for its spirituality and metaphysical vortexes. So vortexes are spirals of energy that can either go upwards or spiral downwards. There's 4 major ones here in Sedona at Cathedral Rock, Bell Rock, Boynton Canyon, and Airport Mesa. There's a debated 5th one at Chapel of the Holy Cross as well. So we plan on visiting the one by Cathedral Rock today. And as you can see in the video footage, there's tons of different boutique shops and practices dedicated to spirituality here, selling alternative healing practices, crystals, and stuff like that. So it's a very interesting place, lots of interesting people, as you can see as well.
Not a life-threatening issue, but why not? If she can do it, you can't do it?
I'm not into snakes.
Do it, we'll get a pic.
No.
Is it friendly?
Jackson.
No. It's a friendly. Jackson, you can do it.
Not going to bite me because I'm not food. If I looked or smelled like a mouse, maybe it would. Other than that.
Oh, there's one on the ground. No thanks. Looks like a rattlesnake.
Go for snake, friendly.
And if we failed to mention, on top of all the crystal and gem stores, there are loads of souvenir shops and Southwestern style handicraft stores. So if you come and visit downtown Sedona, you'll not have an issue finding, or you won't have an issue finding any souvenirs or trinkets to take home.
And most of them are made by local artists. They're all super unique, handcrafted. It's really, really cool.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna go find the vortex. See if
Get our hike on.
See if it's all it's cracked up to be. All right, we've arrived at Cathedral Rock, and there's hardly any parking. What time is it right now?
1:15.
1:15, and it's parking beyond signs that say you'll get a penalty or you'll get a fine.
And cops are out ticketing, so we luckily found a good parking spot. a legal parking spot.
A legal parking spot, and there's not much. Oh, look at that. There's parking right there. It's a prime parking spot. But the parking lot is pretty small there. There's this one, and then there's one on the other side of the trailhead that's only like 20 spots. And I think you have to pay too.
Yeah, I think so.
Looked like there was a meter. And just FYI, there are bathrooms at the trailhead, which is always helpful to know.
And today we put on sunscreen because yesterday
Oh, yeah.
we got very, very
Crazy burnt.
crisp. So. So I believe we've arrived at the Cathedral Rock vortex. There's really no signage, but the little map that I saw on the Sedona website shows this area, and I'm guessing that's why there's a few people, you know, gathered around here, laying around, listening to music, bathing in the water. Not 100% sure, but I think this is it.
Alright, we're on the backside of the Baldwin Loop. Think about halfway done. 2.65 miles in. And there's not many people over here.
It's awesome.
It's not that difficult of a hike, but let's see, the views are... We have conquered about 4.5 miles of trail so far. Now it's time to conquer Cathedral Rock to end the hiking day.
So definitely be the most elevation we get today, but it's only about 0.4 miles up, so that's a good thing.
Yeah, I think it's just pretty steep. Hopefully the trail has cleared out by now. It's a little bit after 3. So this portion, you're practically scaling like, look at Emma, it's like a monkey. You're pretty high up, just scaling the rocks. This is pretty cool. There are a couple of foot and hand holds that you can see that are dug out, so it gives her better grip. But I should probably be doing this with 2 hands. I thought this was the top, but nope. Somewhere up there. And we made it to the top.
I was hungry, I'd call you. Yeah,